fuzzy hair and all tonight.
Uh-huh.
Because we went out mushroom hunting today, and like the Bigfoot, the Morel mushroom is kind of a legend in Michigan that I've never actually found. Well, that ain't true. I found some in somebody's backyard once. My parents' backyard actually one time.
One
But I've
time.
never found them.
I
But
think there
anyways,
were only 3, right?
yeah. Well, it's
I don't
Morel
know.
mushroom season, and you should have seen the people in the woods today. It was crazy.
Yeah, there were quite a few.
So we're gonna put some slideshows. I didn't find the Morels, but I got some really nice pictures. I'm gonna put some slideshow up for you, so you can see our pictures from today. And you got our sunset behind us. And so tonight we were excited because our ducks actually came home by themselves.
By themselves.
They went into the pen by themselves.
By themselves.
Without just beating through the woods like crazy lunatics.
Oh my gosh.
And getting slices and dice.
Oh, we got such horrible prickers. The thorns, they're just terrible.
And other exciting news is we're working on our live cam, which you're going to see some little clips of footage of us playing with it. So you're going to be able to see what we're trying to do. Now, it's not where we wanted it. We wanted it out right by the chicken and duck pen, but we don't have, our internet stops like 200 feet short.
Yeah.
So, and without a $300 repeater, we probably can't make it that far. So we're trying to figure out what we can do, but right now
we're putting it at the edge of our fence.
And what she said. And then we're going to try and
point out towards the main field, if you will.
Well, you'll see a nice view anyway.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
The idea is we're going to put some chicken feed up so they can maybe come up, maybe see if we can get something for the ducks to come up for it. I don't know what they want, but we don't know anything about ducks yet.
Peas, they like peas.
But so anyways, watch some slideshows, check out some of our footage, tell us what you think of the angle and the image, and we'll talk to you later. So here's the little, we've had the black chicken on here, a video picture.
And a picture.
And here's some of the other ones. Run away, run away. Under the chicken warmer, so when it comes to food time. Australopithecus.
No. Australorp, I think.
Is that like the dinosaurs?
No.